Sparky Sparks here. I have two blondes for you for summer. Oh my gosh, these are great. So the first blonde I'm going to talk about is Drew, and she is by Jon Renau. Let me hold these two up. We're going to talk about Drew today and Lisa from Envy Hair. This is Lisa. This is Drew. One has a root, a little bit of a root. So you can see that brown top. And Lisa does not have a root at all. This is light blonde. This one is Malibu Blonde from Jon Renau. So similar in colors, different in caps, different in price points. Lisa is a bit more expensive than Drew, but both very, very comfortable. Love. So Lisa has an open wefted cap. The difference is Lisa is 30% human hair and 70% heat-friendly synthetic. Drew, also open wefted, is heat-friendly synthetic. Okay, and the other difference, this is Drew, open wefting and a monofilament part or top, so you can part it anywhere. Lisa also is partially hand-tied and has that monofilament top, but she has this piece right here, and that is silicone that goes against my forehead and silicone ear tabs. So if you don't have your own hair, this would be super comfortable because it's just against your skin. I wear a wig cap to keep the wig from slipping, this wig particularly. This wig I don't think would slip even without a wig cap. So let's try them on. We're going to start with Drew. Great blondes for summer. I've decided to go blonde. If you know, you know. I've been red for the winter, and I'm ready to go blonde for summer. Now that cap is open wefted, so sometimes you get hairs that come back through, poke back through, and you can just comb them back out. Let's put her on. So for my beginners, I've got my wig cap on. It's a combination wig grip and wig cap. The grip is velvet, so it's friction this way and smooth this way. So as the wig will catch, it won't fall back. So it's super secure. Little tip, don't put this on too tight. It has Velcro. So we Velcro it, and I have this bad habit of Velcroing it much too tight. Here's the back. You just kind of, it doesn't need to be tight. If it is too tight, you will get a headache. Now on the wig, I don't over tighten it. So these are fasteners that can be moved in for tighter and out for looser. I keep them about where they came in the box. I have an average size head. Now we're going to put our forehead in here in the lace front and pull her on and flip up. Now here's where you need to adjust. There's ear tabs on either side, and we just kind of hold those and make them land right at our temples. And then I like to check, is there 4 fingers here, between here, or 3 fingers, depending on what size of your head. Now, I always joke that I have an 8 head, so I always joke that I have 8 fingers from my top of my brow to my hairline. And it might actually be true, but we can adjust that. And then I like to comb through. This is Drew, again, by Jon Renau, and she came with this wide tooth comb. And this is Malibu Blonde, and you can see I'm trying to be gentle as I comb through. Don't yank. It will kind of frizz up the fibers if you do. Also, I have a turtleneck on, so the nape of the neck, because it's synthetic, heat-friendly synthetic, it will rub and get a little tangled. And then we just take the comb and easily, gently comb her out. So again, this is Drew in the color Malibu Blonde. I love her. And I can wear her kind of half up, half down if I want. I'm going to show you the back. And to pay attention to as you're looking at the back, because you really can't see any wefts, right? It just looks like blonde hair. and it will maintain this style, this wave. So what I tell people, if you wanted a curly wig, buy a curly wig. Don't try to make this a curly wig. Just keep this as this piece. It's beautiful, but it'll last longer if you're not adding a bunch of heat, changing it from curly to straight and back and forth. Just keep it as it came. And then, you know, if you had a curly one of these in this color, you just pop it on. That's the whole point. Make it easy. Hairline is amazing. You can see more reviews on Drew on my channel here. And I've also linked a link to wigs.com, so you can just link on and look for Drew in Malibu Blonde. Now let's compare her to Lisa in light blonde. So again, this was Drew, and now we're going to put on Lisa. Lisa is a combination of human hair and synthetic hair. 30% human hair and 70% heat-friendly synthetic. So we're gonna fix her up here. And what I like to do is make sure that that hairline is, that the lace is flat. Sometimes the lace rolls on these. So they're lace front. They're also no glue. So you may, if you're new to wigs, you may be looking at hair and how people install hair. I went down that rabbit hole when I first started wearing wigs and thought, oh my gosh, I got to go through the whole installation of hair with wigs and glue and all of that. But no, this is a glueless wig. So you can see I just popped her on, wear and go kind of thing. This is pretty much like out of the box. This is, look at this hairline. So because it's lace, it's ear to ear lace, I can pull her back. Let's tuck some of my hair under. Okay, there we go. So we can pull her back if we want to. You can run, she's so secure, like a firm hug really, that you can confidently do this and she's not going anywhere. Let me show you the back. Perfect length for summer because you can wear half up, half down. And again, look at the back. With her being open wefted, she's cool. She's probably cooler than wearing a baseball hat. People have asked me if wigs are hot, and really, it's not hot at all. I've worn wigs now full-time for a year, coming up on a year. And I love that you can change the part line wherever you want. So, what do you think? Just beautiful. So, I think I'd like her parted a little more over. There we go. And these wigs are available on wigs.com. Just love. This was Lisa in light blonde, 30% human hair, 70% heat-friendly synthetic hair by Envy. I'm told that the hair at the nape of the neck is more human hair, so it's not supposed to tangle as much as synthetic hair. And so far, that's what I've experienced. Just love. I think if I could have her in every color, I would. Oh my goodness. Just a perfect style, perfect length. I'd love your thoughts. So you can see I'm just changing the part. And it doesn't have a root. We've talked about that. And it looks phenomenal. Thanks for joining me today. Which one would you choose? Lisa or Drew? Drew in Malibu Blonde or Lisa? I'm not trying to influence you. Lisa in light blonde. Okay, maybe I am because I love this one. Have a great day. Cheers.